Have you ever had a problem with your car? Today we're learning some common vocabulary that you can use the next time you take your vehicle to the mechanics. Let's go. Ellie. Let's learn some words and expressions for getting your car repaired. What do you call a person who fixes cars for a living? Mechanic. And where does a mechanic work? There are a few possible names, such as the mechanics, garage, shop, service center, or auto repair shop. What do you call the truck that takes your vehicle to the repair shop when it breaks down? Tow truck. You might also need a tow truck if your car won't start. When something is broken and someone fixes it, what do you call that? Repair. Repair can be both a noun and a verb. You should take care of your car regularly so it doesn't break down. What is this called? Maintenance. Examples of maintenance include having the mechanic check your fluids or inspect different parts of your vehicle. When a mechanic replaces the old oil in your car with new oil, what is it called? Oil change. Most cars need an oil change every 6 months. What do you call the round rubber parts of a vehicle that touch the road? Tires. Tires need to be replaced when they get too worn out. What's the word for the system that makes your car stop? Brakes. Good brakes are very important for safety. Before fixing your car, a mechanic usually gives you this. What is it? Estimate. An estimate tells you approximately how much the repair will cost before the work begins. In order to fix your car, the mechanic may need to replace some items. What are these called? Parts. Parts can include things like spark plugs, belts, and filters. When you pay a mechanic for repairs, you usually pay for 2 things: parts and labor. Labor refers to the cost of the mechanic's time and work. If you have this, you don't need to pay for repairs. What is it? Warranty. A warranty guarantees that any repairs will be covered by the vehicle manufacturer for a certain period of time. If your car will be in the shop for a while, you might need this. What is it? Courtesy car. A courtesy car is one you can borrow while your car is being repaired. You can also call this a loaner or a rental car. Great work! Now you know 12 new words that you can use at the mechanics. Do you think you can remember how to spell the words you just learned? Let's find out. How do you spell this? Write it down or say the letters out loud. Mechanic. Did you spell it correctly with the letters C and H in the middle? How about this one? Brakes. Careful. This is spelled A-K-E-S, not E-A-K-S. Brakes with E-A-K-S means comes apart. Okay, last one. Warranty. Did you remember to spell it with 2 R's? Are you ready for one more activity? Which of these images shows a tow truck? Yep, you got it. Let's try another one. Which image shows tires? Correct. Here's the last one. Which of these images shows an oil change? That's right. Good work. Now you know some words to use the next time you go to the mechanics. See you again soon.
Ellie.